Let me tell you something important. Most beginners learn Arabic like this. I wake up, eat, drink, but then the real life happens. They don't know what to say because the real language, not words, it's sentences. It's I wake up early, I drink coffee, I go to the bathroom. So today, in the next 10 minutes, you are going to learn 10 real Arabic sentences that you can use every single morning. No grammar, no complicated rules. Just simple real sentences from your real life. And this lesson made especially for the English speakers who starting from zero. By the end of this video, you will not just understand Arabic, you will start speaking it. I will take you through simple morning routine. Each moment, one sentence. You hear it in English, then in Arabic, then the pronunciation, and we will repeat it many times. You will not memorize Arabic, you will feel it. Let's start. In the morning, I wake up early. I wake up early in Arabic. أستيقظ باكرا. أستيقظ باكرا. I wake up early every day. I get up slowly. I get up from my bed. أقوم من سريري. أقوم من سريري. Then I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom in Arabic. أذهب إلى الحمام. أذهب إلى الحمام. Quickie quiz. What is I wake up early? أستيقظ باكرا. Good. What is I go to the bathroom? أذهب إلى الحمام. Very good. In the bathroom, I wash my face with water. I wash my face. أغسل وجهي. أغسل وجهي. I brush my teeth every morning. I brush my teeth in Arabic. أنظف أسناني. أنظف أسناني. I look at myself in the mirror. I look in the mirror in Arabic. أنظر إلى المرآة. أنظر إلى المرآة. Then I get dressed quickly. I get dressed quickly in Arabic. ألبس بسرعة. ألبس بسرعة. Quickie quiz. What is I wash my face? أغسل وجهي. Very good. What is I get dressed quickly? ألبس بسرعة. Very good. I eat my breakfast every morning. I eat breakfast. آكل الفطور. آكل الفطور. And then I drink my coffee. And I drink my coffee every day at the morning. I drink coffee. أشرب القهوة. أشرب القهوة. And after I sit and relax. I sit at the table. I sit at the table in Arabic. أجلس عند الطاولة. أجلس عند الطاولة. Quickie quiz. What is I drink coffee? أشرب القهوة. Very good. What is I sit at the table? أجلس عند الطاولة. Very good. Comment your score. But you know what? It's not important the score. The important now what you can say. If you think about it, the language is not big words. It's small sentences you say every day. Today, you didn't just learn Arabic, you live it. And that's the difference. When you learn through your daily life, you remember. So tomorrow morning, don't just live your routine, but say it in Arabic. And that's how you start speaking. Practice on the sentence and see you in the next lesson. Salam.